Owning a car undoubtedly provides convenience and freedom, but it often comes with a hefty price tag when it comes to repairs and maintenance. However, fear not. With a bit of knowledge, foresight, and strategic planning, you can significantly cut down on your car-related expenses. In this comprehensive overview, we will explore practical tips and solutions to help you save money on car repairs and maintenance without compromising the health and longevity of your vehicle. 1. Regular maintenance pays off. The first key to saving money on car repairs is proactive maintenance. Regularly scheduled maintenance checks, such as oil changes, tire rotations, and fluid replacements, can prevent major issues from arising in the first place. This not only extends the lifespan of your vehicle, but also helps you avoid costly repairs down the road. 2. DIY repairs and basic maintenance. While not everyone is a certified mechanic, there are several basic maintenance tasks you can learn to do yourself. Simple tasks like changing the air filter, replacing wiper blades, and checking tire pressure can be done with minimal tools and knowledge. Numerous online tutorials and manuals can guide you through these processes, saving you money on labor costs. 3. Educate yourself. Knowledge is power when it comes to saving on car repairs. Take the time to understand your vehicle's make and model, its specific maintenance needs, and common issues associated with it. Knowing the basics will prevent you from being overcharged or misled by unscrupulous mechanics. 4. Compare prices and get multiple quotes. When faced with a repair or maintenance task, don't settle for the first quote you receive. Shop around and get multiple estimates from reputable mechanics or auto shops. This simple step can save you a considerable amount of money, as prices for the same service can vary widely. 5. Invest in quality parts. While it may be tempting to opt for the cheapest parts available, investing in quality, durable components can save you money in the long run. High-quality parts are less likely to fail prematurely, reducing the frequency of repairs and replacements. Ready to take control of your car-related expenses? Subscribe to our channel for more money-saving tips, insightful guides, and exclusive deals. Share this overview with friends and family who might benefit from these valuable insights. Hit the notification bell to stay updated on the latest tips and tricks to keep your car running smoothly without breaking the bank. Remember, a well-maintained car is a happy car, and a happy car owner has a fuller wallet. Drive smart, spend smart, and enjoy the road ahead.